Hello my beauties, welcome back to my channel. I am back. I know it's been a long time, but anywho, we are finally out of quarantine. Well, we'll be out of quarantine officially for like salons and stuff tomorrow, but today I am actually doing hair for a photo shoot, and I'm really excited because it's my first photo shoot for a makeup artist here in my city, in the local area. I'm from Florida. Well, I live in Florida too. But today I'm actually going to go do a bubble ponytail, and we're just gonna make it really fun and dope for her shoot. And this is all at the top of my head, so I'm really excited. If you like this video, definitely please give me a thumbs up, comment, share this video. If you are new and you haven't already, subscribe to my channel because I actually have another video that I'm going to be uploading right after this doing my hair. So yes, stay tuned and let's go.
I'm like, did I do it?
You did it. You did it
like,
at 7 o'clock this morning.
Y'all, I fucking been screenshotting pictures.
I think you should do these in the front.
No shit. And, whatever.
Ooh, cause I'm, that's cute. Cause I'm freaky.
She's talking about cause I'm freaky. Oh, Lord.
Freak nasty.
That's what they be putting it at?
It's real photo shoot appropriate. You just gotta think big and flashy for photo shoot. That's the only
Slide
thing.
it back closer to you.
I ain't gonna read it either, because I put her on vlogging, so that's what she said. Alright, cool.
Sexy ass.
that was it for my first little vlog. You guys got to kind of go to work with me. I'm going to be doing more of those, especially now that I actually get to go back to work. But of course, don't want to give off too much content, and that was, you know, that's not my project, so you guys have to stay tuned for that artist to launch the whole project that she's working on. Why does this thing look so big? It looks huge right now. Anyways, I'm tired of looking like this. I've been looking a mess for pretty much like all of April, so I'm gonna get back. You guys are gonna watch the transformation. I'm actually right now like stressing because I really need a nail tech. I want my nails done, I want my feet done, I want my lashes done. These brows are lit like we are getting out of quarantine, but everybody is like booked up. But we're gonna get it handled. But that was it for my first little mini vlog. I hope you guys liked it. Mwah. One more thing before I actually end this video, like for good. Subscribe to my channel. Just simply hit that subscribe button, become a part of the family, hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when I post my next video. This is my raw hair that I'm actually going to be coloring, and I'm going to really style it. Underneath looks a mess, so we're just going to bypass that. But yes, definitely do me a favor, subscribe to my channel. I want to be able to stay connected with you. Also, follow me on Instagram. I'm transformed by .tati. That's my main account at the moment. And also I do have a hair page on Facebook as well, which is transformed by Tati. You can find me on there as well. Snapchat Tati_love B. You ladies have a great